Hello, legislators. My name is Stephanie Luna, and I'm the representative from the Lubbock, Texas Health Department. I'm here today to introduce our city's new campaign that addresses sexual risk behaviors in adolescents and teens. The information that I will present today will educate you on the importance of our proposed plan to decrease the numbers of adolescent and teen STD, HIV, and teen pregnancies related cases in our area through education in public schools and throughout the community. Before the end of this informative presentation, I am hoping to gain votes for this proposal so that we can bring awareness to parents, educators, and the teens that may be at risk or may become a statistic in our already highly rated numbers across the South Plains. Lubbock County has a population of 250,000 people. As you can see on the map that our health department serves a very large area, which includes Texas Tech University. The Lubbock Independent School District has 4 high schools, 7 middle schools. Friendship Independent School District has only 1 high school with about 2,600 students, 3 middle schools. Lubbock Cooper Independent School District has 1 high school and 1 middle school, and then we have Texas Tech University. There are 4 major characteristics that puts adolescents and teens at risk: insufficient screening, biology, lack of access to health care. This factor is especially important because when these young men and women decides that they want to take their relationships to the next level, they may depend on seeking information and or education outside the home or classroom and choose to reach out to a healthcare professional. It is also important that they know that prevention works. There are 3 areas of prevention from HIV and STDs. They are getting tested. There is no need to wait until the sexual relationships are already a thing of the past. If these young men and women are sexually active, they should be tested for all STDs. Reducing their risk behavior by having unsafe sex, the risk of an STD contraction is very possible along with an unintended pregnancy. Another prevention is being vaccinated against HPV, the human papillomavirus. HPV vaccinations are given as early as age 11 or 12, and there are 3 doses for the protection of this virus. Now that you have learned the risks and those who may be at risk, let's discuss our new policy. The Lubbock County Health Department has designed a new policy called WAIT. Wonderful abstinence includes time. The proposed policy will directly affect all adolescent and teenage individuals in Lubbock County and surrounding areas. The majority of high school teens have had a romantic relationship, and almost half of high school age teens have had at least one sexual experience. Students in high school may have already started having sex before really understanding how much their lives are at risk. Our new proposed policy to reduce the numbers in sexually transmitted disease in adolescents and teens in Lubbock County and surrounding areas is called WAIT. We will educate all middle and high school age students on the importance of abstinence. This policy will be carried out by a team from the Lubbock Health Department, including myself, by traveling to all school campuses and presenting our information during those scheduled series of assemblies. Those schools will include the Lubbock Independent School District, the Friendship Independent School District, the Lubbock Cooper Independent School District, and even Texas Tech University. But before students are allowed to attend these assemblies, a parent or guardian must give a written consent for permission for their child under the age of 18 to attend either one of these assemblies. The parents will be given a very in-depth information packet of the topics to be discussed. Let's go back. The WAIT policy will spread the awareness of the importance of abstaining from sexual activities to help reduce the number of cases of STDs and unintended pregnancies in our area. Parents may not be comfortable discussing the do's and don'ts of sex, as many rely on educational systems to do so. All of this is a discussion that should take place at home. Our organization understands the levels of difficulty. Never know when is the right time to talk about the birds and the bees is understood in our organization. However, we do offer classes to parents and or guardians to educate them on ways to discuss the issues and importance of understanding the risks and consequences of participating in sexual relationships as teens and young adults. We also speak very strongly on the issues of ways to prevent contracting STDs and avoiding teen pregnancy. You may be wondering, what are the costs and or benefits of our proposed policy? Due to our funding, there is no cost to start up our new policy. This will be a great benefit to adolescents and teens in our area, their families that may be struggling with how to help their child succeed high school without becoming a statistic. By voting for this policy placement, you will allow our organization to be able to spread the awareness with hopes of reducing the high rates of STDs and unintended pregnancies in Lubbock and surrounding areas. Without this new policy, the number of STD cases will continue to rise, and the number of teen mothers will double in Lubbock alone. It is important to understand that education is key. Changes in our community, if and when the policy proposal is approved and placed, we will be able to gradually see a positive change in responses that we receive in reference to adolescent and teen health. This will also give insight to those adolescents and teens that may be considering having sexual relationships early. By knowing that there are many ways to avoid the risk behaviors, adolescents and teens across the region will gain knowledge of how to successfully abstain from having sex. If they are already engaged in a relationship and have already experienced sex, or may be considering to do so, our policy could make a huge difference and allow them to wait and focus on enjoying their lives as sex-free, STD and teen pregnancy-free young adults. Even though society and social media displays the ideas that sexual encounters as teens are okay or even cool, as a healthcare professional here at the Lubbock County Health Department, I know that through education and continued awareness throughout our communities, many of the adolescents and teens will be afforded a different look on growing up and maturing as young adults while maintaining a healthy living without falling short to any of the risk behaviors that I mentioned earlier on in the presentation. I want to take out the time to thank you all for your time today. I strongly urge each of you to consider giving a vote for this policy for the better benefit of the young adults of our community. Thank you again and have a good day.